Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to create a PayPal account step by step. Whether you want to shop online, send money or receive payments, PayPal is a trusted option, so let's get started. First of all, open your PayPal application. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Launch the app open and you'll be welcomed with this screen. If you are using PayPal on a desktop or laptop, you can go to paypal.com and follow through the sign up process. Once you get to this page, click on the sign up button to get started creating a new account. On the next page, select your country by tapping on the flag drop down at the top right and choose your country or your region from the mentioned list. Now, enter an email address of yours in the text box that you want to sign up with. Once you are done, click on Next. On the next page, type down a mobile number you have an access to and then click on the Next button again. Now, you'll receive a verification code sent to you via SMS. Type down the code as soon as you receive it in the text boxes. And on the next page, you'll be asked to create a password for your PayPal account. Type down a secure password you will remember next time you log in. Make sure your password matches these criteria underneath the box. Your password should be 8 to 20 characters long and you must have letters, numbers, or symbols included in the password to make it a stronger one. Once you are done typing in the password, click on Next. And then on the next page, type down your name, last name, and date of birth and tap on Next. Make sure to enter your personal information that matches your official ID. On the next page, write down your residential address information and click on this little box at the bottom to agree to the user agreement and privacy statement. And finally, click on Agree and Create Account at the bottom. On the next page, you'll need to link a debit or credit card so that you can send money or shop with ease. After doing all of those, on the next page, select if you'd like to turn on notification or turn off the account update notifications and deals and promotions. And there you have successfully signed up for a new PayPal account. The next step you'll need to go and do is to tap on the Add Account Details at the top and confirm your email address, link your cards, add a profile picture, and you will be able to complete your PayPal account setup. And that's how it is easily done. That is how you can finish your PayPal sign up process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.